bro, I can't stay at home longer. I need to travel so bad. Are you down for a small trip?
Yeah bro, for sure man. Do you have any plans right now?
So this was the plan, to travel to the Baltic Sea. Didn't know what we would find there, but our expectations were high. But what we found there was not what we had expected. So instead of a breathtaking sunrise, we found the whole beach covered in grey fog. But as we realized that our expectations and ideas were crushed, we started to enjoy the weather and the special vibe it gives us.
I was waiting in the undertow, set adrift with featherway like bows, unaware of where my heart would flow. I was waiting in the undertow, can't touch the bottom, sit into a tumble, waves that shake me out of my skin.
But at a point where we least expected something to change, the wind pushed away the clouds and released the sun for the first time. The switch from cloudy to sunny created us the most epic view we have ever seen in our lives. This magical forest was only a small part of the way to the lighthouse that was supposed to be near here. We only had 2 hours left, so we knew we had to hurry up to get to the epic cliffs right in time for the sunset.